We move on to the cultural foundations. Imagine walking into two different houses. One an ancient Indian temple with astronomical markings, and another a Greek museum filled with mythological art. This is exactly what we are dealing with when we compare these traditions. In India, Vedic astrology grew from careful scientific observations mixed with spiritual wisdom. Astrologers were also mathematicians and astronomers. They would spend nights studying star patterns, calculating movements. Meanwhile, in ancient Greece and Rome, astrology developed alongside beautiful myths of gods and goddesses. Each planet told a story. Mars wasn't just a red planet, it was the god of war. So there are distinct religious foundations behind the development of the two different systems in astrology. And one might, if interested, look into the origins of the two in terms of the mythology and the mythological works. These roots are still alive today. In modern India, it's common to consult an astrologer before major life decisions like choosing a wedding date or starting a business. I remember my colleague in Bangalore telling me how his entire tech company chose their launch date based on astrological calculations. In the West, astrology has evolved differently. It's more about personal growth and understanding yourself. You might see it in psychology offices as much as in mystical shops. So, a question for you: how does cultural context influence the astrological interpretation? You might like to think about it later.